For this video, Flora Fairy sent over this beautiful 7-foot artificial olive tree. Now, I absolutely love artificial trees and how easy it is they are to maintain. You don't have to water them. You don't need sunlight. You just put them where you need them. You wipe them down with a damp cloth every now and then to get some dust off of them, and they're gonna look beautiful at any spot in your home. Now, this one right here is absolutely gorgeous. The leaves on here are really realistic looking too. I love the design on them. You can see like the veins on them. It makes it look really nice with the 2 different colored greens to it, and then also has a couple little harder plastic ones that look like new growth on the leaf, which just adds a really realistic look to it. It has plenty of olives on it too. Sometimes you get ones and they kind of skimp on the olives. These ones have plenty of olives on it. Now, I love the trunk of this tree. It's really unique. I love how tall it is until the branches actually start, which makes it perfect if you are setting up like next to a couch or a chair. It gives you enough room if you are sitting down. The leaves aren't going to be in your face. It's up high enough, so it's still going to work really nice sitting next to a couch. It also comes in a really nice pot, which is nice and stable. So if you're like me and you have kids running around, if they do kind of knock into it, knock it over, it has enough weight to it to where it's not going to fall over and hurt anyone. Now, this was really easy to assemble. You just have 2 parts to it here. You can go ahead and connect it. There are arrows on here that's going to let you see where it does line up, which makes it really easy to connect together. Then all you have to do is fluff out the branches a little bit, shape it to however you want it, and it's going to look beautiful in whatever room you have it in your home. Now, it does come with some really nice artificial moss too that you can go ahead and set up right on top of the pot. I opt out for it because my kids are gonna just pick at it. It's not gonna stay where it's gonna need, but it is a really great touch, especially if you wanna add a little bit more of a realistic look to it. So overall, this is a great artificial olive tree. I love how tall it is. I love how realistic it is. It's gonna look great whether you're using it in your home, an apartment, or an office. This is a really nice tree to have.